We've created the estate phase one. So I'm just gonna zoom out. I'll click top of the test and pick a color on a test. So I want to put a test under like location Asaba. I'm just going to test location Asaba under. Click OK. Click my position the test to be under the phase one. So I'm going to push it a little bit. The next, I put a test, I'll reduce the test to be 12. I'll put it under the elbow of his hand, like the description of the company. So just hold it and seize it, drag it, seize it and drag it. When you do it like this, all your tests will be in order, like a magazine. So this is how you can do something like you just hold it, seize it and drag it. So you delete the first one and I'll paste the write-up. I've already copied it already, so I'm going to paste it. So I'll zoom in. Sometimes when you're writing, you have to zoom in. Zooming is command plus, zoom out is command minus. So I'll paste the other tests. It is the same when you're writing, but pasting the template is good when you've gotten your write-up. So let me increase the font to 14. You can see it has come out. Yeah, so you're good to go. So basically, when you're designing for a client, it's better to have the client to test you the write-up. Let's write up. So next, I'll go to my move. I'll move it, the move tools, move it to be in order. Yeah. So I think it's okay like this. I love it. And I'll push my subject a little bit. So if you tap the subject, whatever you want to do, just tap it and you can move it. That's how good in Photoshop. Just tap the layer. So I'm going to create another layer on top of the write-up. And this time I want to create a box, a tiny line. You can use a box to create a tiny line. We use a landscape. So with that, it's like a design. So the under, I'm going to put the social media icon. So I've already gotten the social media icon, and all this icon is available for you to download to make the design easy. And you download it from Photoshop, from Facebook, from Google, and sometimes you create. So I'm going to drop it. Then drops. I'll drop it again. The plus icon option. Yeah. So since it's on top of every layer, so things like this, when you make it small, you have to zoom. It's command plus you zoom out, so you can drag it from the area. Drag it and hold the middle. Put it in there, yeah, and make it smaller a little bit. So I'm going to shift it a little bit to the end. I'm going to click the top again. Go back. This time I'm going to pick Facebook. So The reason why you drag from the edge to be fitting. So I'll give a space for right up to put the social media name right up. The next, I'll put a name. Instagram, Facebook. Pick email icon. It is funny sometimes when you're trying to pick. So maybe somebody wrong. Yeah. No. Alright, so I'll tap it and zoom out a little bit. So the next is going to be address icon. I'm going to pick the address icon. So it's kind of cool. I like this design. It's very fantastic. And so in front of the icon address, I'm going to create another right top. I'll create a new layer, tests, and just drag it, click and drag. So right top will pop out. You delete and paste. Click and paste. You don't even need to click, just paste. Take my move to tap it and push it up gradually to fit in. Alright, you're almost done. The next I'm going to put a contact number, and so where will the contact number be? So I just click new layer, put it under the right top. Yeah, just put contacts and phone number. So I'm going to make it red, so like I lighten it. So I'll make it 16 so to come out. Then just click the color and click red. Then tap the red. When it has show red, then OK. Voila. So make it bold a little bit. Yeah. It's like an A4 flyer. So next thing I'm going to put not selling, put another new layer, put it under the foot. I'll click the text color and make it dark blue. Not selling. So right, so I'll click the map, then increase it a little bit. It's too much. Reduce it back. Put it at 18. Then click move to new layer. This time I'm gonna put maybe 1.3. So I'll just type capital letter N here on the cap lock and 1.3. I'm not gonna put 1.3. Remove the 0 so it will be dope. Now click the map. Then go to the size, put it at 72. Yeah. Size it a little bit. Command T. And put another new layout. This time I'm going to make it medium. And the text, I will reduce the text to like 30. Then write Naira 3 million. Now I'm going to put million. I've already put N at the back of 1.3. Whoa, yeah. So I'm just gonna lengthen it. Click my move tool and drag it. We're good to go. So you can put your own write-up at the front of the social media icon, the name of the brand, their social media handle. So I think that's good. And we're good to go. And that's also click file and save as. Save it as. Let's save as estate. And that's save as a project. Then next, it's loading. Click OK. Still loading. That's saved now. So the next I'm going to save. You can see it is saved. Then I'm going to put save as again. Right now I'm going to save it. It's estates. It's already a project, so save as a copy. We'll show you Photoshop. Then go to JPEG. Save. The first save is for you to work on it anytime. The project. This one is the JPEG. So you can literally increase the size. Like this is 2.4 MB. You can reduce it and increase it. The more you understand, you can reduce it. But the increase size give you a good resolution. So okay, good to go. That's it. I'll click. So this is how you can create an astonished, eye-catching real estate flyer. So cool. Thank you very much.